Congratulations on getting your blog started. By now, you probably have the perfect domain picked out for your blog and you're ready to add it to your site. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to update the temporary domain that was assigned to your WordPress site when you created it to your own custom domain. For this demonstration, I'm going to assume that the custom domain you want to use is in your account, or you're going to be purchasing one through GoDaddy. But if the domain you want to use is already in use by another hosting account, you'll need to detach it from that account first. Let's get started. There are a couple of different starting points for updating your domain, but I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way. From your WordPress admin dashboard, click the link on the dashboard that says Add Domain. All you need to do is select the domain you want and click Attach. You'll be taken to the settings page, and it'll take a few moments until the domain is fully attached, but when it is, you'll see a success message display in the upper right corner. You should now be able to find your website with your new domain. Good, try it. But before I sign off, I do want to give you a helpful tip. If the domain is in another GoDaddy account or with another registrar, there's some extra steps required to update your DNS. Now that you've updated your website with your domain, get out there and share your blog with the world. I'm Darlene, thanks for watching.